Okay, we're putting the mini bike back together. We took it apart, sanded it down, painted it, and now Justin's putting it back together. The mini bike death machine as seen on YouTube. Except this one's red. The other one was yellow. But we've got the same Predator motor that Justin bought that's going back on it. And we bought the new clutch that fits that one. So we're just piecing it back together with a little help from our friends. Oh, she's giving up on us. You can do it, Justin. You can do it. Now we're doing a test fit on the new seat. We glued it up, and now we're going to see what it's going to look like with the little pad behind it.
That's better.
Now we even have Grandma involved in the seat, putting the final assembly on it. One completed mini bike seat. All right, so now he's got the seat on. Last thing, getting that engine on. I'm gonna do that this morning.